Step into a world where every bite is a dance and every gesture is a symphony of sophistication. Join us on a captivating journey as we unravel the secrets of dining with grace, mastering old money table manners. In this enchanting video, discover the art of refined etiquette, where each meal is a masterpiece and every dining experience is a celebration of timeless elegance. In the world of refined etiquette and timeless sophistication, mastering old money table manners is an art that goes beyond the mere act of eating. It involves a blend of poise, tradition, and an appreciation for the finer details of dining. Here are some key elements to consider when dining with grace. 1. Seating etiquette. Seating etiquette in the realm of old money table manners is a subtle yet significant aspect that reflects a commitment to grace and tradition. When entering a dining setting, individuals of refined taste wait for the host or hostess to signal their designated seat, emphasizing a deferential approach to the social hierarchy. Rising when a woman leaves or approaches the table is a courteous gesture that underscores the chivalrous values associated with old money etiquette. Throughout the meal, maintaining an upright posture and avoiding slouching are key elements, contributing to an overall ambience of sophistication. These subtle but deliberate actions showcase respect for the established norms of social interaction, portraying an understanding that dining extends beyond the act of eating to embody an artful demonstration of manners and civility. 2. Navigating the place setting. Navigating the place setting in the table manners of old money is akin to deciphering a code of timeless elegance. Every utensil, plate, and glass has its designated place, reflecting meticulous attention to detail. It begins with an understanding of the proper use of utensils, starting from the outermost implements and working inward as the meal progresses. The napkin, delicately folded, is not just a practical tool, but a subtle accessory in the orchestration of the dining experience. Old money table manners emphasize a sense of order and refinement in the arrangement, creating a visual symphony that enhances the overall dining atmosphere. This attention to the nuances of the place setting goes beyond mere etiquette. It becomes a language through which individuals of old money heritage communicate their appreciation for the art of dining. 3. Conversation artistry. The conversation artistry inherent in the table manners of old money reflects a commitment to cultivated dialogue and refined social interaction. In the world of the well-heeled, conversations at the dining table is an art form where grace and tact take center stage. The artistry lies not only in the topics chosen, but also in the manner in which they are discussed, always with a touch of sophistication and never delving into controversial or overly personal territories. The mastery of old money conversation artistry involves an ability to engage all guests at the table, creating an atmosphere of conviviality and shared enjoyment. It's about striking the right balance, allowing the discourse to be both meaningful and lighthearted, enhancing the dining experience and contributing to an ambience of timeless elegance. 4. Utensil usage. In refined table manners of old money, utensil usage is elevated to an art form, embodying grace and precision. The handling of utensils is marked by a deliberate and composed approach, reflecting a commitment to the finer details of dining etiquette. The mastery of using utensils with finesse is not merely a matter of practicality, but a demonstration of sophistication. Each cutlery piece is employed with purpose and poise, with diners cutting one bite at a time and bringing food to their mouths with quiet and elegant efficiency. The arrangement of utensils on the plate follows a discrete code, signaling to the attentive waiter the stages of the meal. The emphasis is on a seamless, unobtrusive dining experience where the use of utensils becomes a silent symphony, adding a layer of refinement to the overall artistry of partaking in a shared meal. 5. Wine and beverage etiquette. In the realm of old money table manners, wine and beverage etiquette is a nuanced and sophisticated aspect that reflects a deep appreciation for the art of dining. The placement and handling of glasses are not arbitrary, but follow a precise order, with red wine positioned to the left and white to the right. This attention to detail extends to the delicate act of holding a wine glass by the stem to prevent altering the wine's temperature. How beverages are enjoyed becomes a silent language of refinement, with each sip executed with grace and moderation. Beyond the technicalities, old money wine etiquette emphasizes the social aspect of the meal, urging guests to engage in conversation and savor the complexities of the libations in the company of others. 6. Excusing yourself. In the realm of old money table manners, excusing oneself from the dining table is an art infused with subtle grace and polite consideration. When prompted to temporarily leave the table, individuals of refined etiquette adhere to a discreet ritual. Placing the napkin neatly on the chair signals a temporary departure, ensuring it remains untouched and unfolded. The choice of words is equally crucial. A simple yet polite "please excuse me" conveys both respect for the company and an understanding of the social dynamics at play. This act is performed with a poise that reflects not only an individual's adherence to tradition, but also their mindfulness of the communal dining experience. It is through these small yet significant gestures that the table manners of old money seamlessly intertwine with a deeper appreciation for the art of dining. As the curtain falls on this captivating video, remember that mastering the art of refined dining is not just about following a set of rules, it's an invitation to savor every moment at the table with an air of sophistication. If you found our video informative, kindly like the video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.